to be like in difficult way to doing it. But first thing first, we are going to using condensed glue gel. This is going to hold on to your crystal, charm, and your chains, bead, frame, anything, centerpiece, you name it, in one place at least 4 weeks. If I'm not pushing to 6 weeks, because a lot of my clients will last 6 weeks until they come in to see me. Still hard time to take it off before a day before their appointment, which is mean that's good. We want all the crystal to stay, not to like say bye-bye in the next day. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow with the no wipe top coat right on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. And I'm not dragging and spread my bristles so much because we want to keep the condensed glue gels and underneath of the top coat. We don't want to drag all the condensed glue gels away. So there's a several different color. Actually 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 different colors with so many of a different SS size, from SS3 all the way to SS20. And then you have a centerpiece of each color to complement the designs and the color, and then plus the frame that you can using it and works and actually is complements all the shape and the designs you want. So I got one of this. I'm just like really tempting and saying it that I like that one. I also like this one. Maybe give Sammy a diamond there. What else here? Oh, I know it's hard to choose though. Which one should I get?
2 diamonds. When you want this to really stand, do a green diamond.
Green diamond?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Pop? Lighter? Let me see if I
Darker.
let me see if I have a diamond.
You can, it doesn't have to be a diamond. You can have a kite.
Any,
You can have a block.
anything?
Yeah, do a triangle. But it's pop really
You
nicely.
think? Okay, emerald. It's May birthstone. I was like, the heart, I like it a lot too. All right, so let me see. I'm looking for something. I'm gonna randomly add different. This is really cool thing. As I said, I'm gonna do a different, like foned nails of the crystal on this one. Maybe I should do some yellow. You think?
You can, yeah, you can pop some green and yellow go good together.
No, it's not like really cool. This colors though.
You can mix and match.
I can do, this is really cool. So now we're going to fill completely the nails, and but I'm gonna go like randomly and picking a different crystal, because the ultimate crystal kits, perfect combination. You will never go wrong with this. Let's see. I like the pink one. It will go matching with the gels that I use. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. This is SS20. And then I'm gonna get some green. You know, you do what is gonna make you or your clients happy. Okay. Oh my god, you're so cute. I'm looking for some yellow. And let's get some AB. That's the yellow is just so beautiful. Just like really pop. Looking for some pink. Look at a rainbow pink. And then continue with the rest of them, and then you can fill them in. If you've seen that, doesn't matter what spot you are going to place your crystal, you see that how I always get them really like connect together. The closer, the tighter they are is going to place together, the better, the longer it will last. And then you can also put the beads on if you want to. Let me see if I can get some cuties of different cute metals. Sometimes I put different shape in there. And I have so many ideas that I can't wait. I get triangle right here. Okay. And continue to fill it until, and then there's a great thing about this is Ultimate Crystal Kit. It has like all different sizes and different colors, so then you can pretty much fill them in with any spot you like. Oh, I like this one a lot, this color. I want that one. The green. This green is just really make it cool and pop, huh? And just have a green AB. Can you two see me? I'm gonna add some beads. I'm gonna pick some beads on it. I'm gonna drop some beads right here. Oh, looks cool. Another's great. So even you are doing like spontaneous design, you will never go wrong with this. The best thing about condensed glue gels and no white top coat is not going to cure, so you can see that you have plenty of a time to place your design the way you want it. You see that? We're going to the bigger size and the smaller size around. So I'm going to continue to add on more design. Oh my god, this is so cute. I want this. I'm going to go into like size SS12. Right there. And this one probably is going to fit size 16. Oh my god, this is really cool and it's really pop. This is everything. And I don't know how much this will try to get this side. Oh my god, I want this one. No space. This one might be too big. And I'm gonna add beads between. If you don't want any beads on, you are definitely don't have to, but I'm so obsessed with these nails. On the other set I did for Robin, we put the glow in the dark crystal kit. This is the ultimate crystal kits. These two kits you will never go wrong with it at all. So down a little bit more here. I'm gradually like fill this in. That's too big. Size SS8 should be perfect. And then SS4 for this corner right there. Yep, I got everything. And then you can add beads on as you prefer. I'm gonna adjusting all the crystal. Make sure they are going to exactly where I am going to. If you need to adjusting them, this is the best time to do it. So then before you cure, it's going to stay on the nails until whenever you are going to change to the next design. So let's see, I love about this kit, it has a variety of different beads, so you can do smaller beads, big beads. I love the variety. I love different sizes of the beads. Great. Cool. Oh, it looks good though. It looked like a treasure nails. All right,